Hello everyone, as we are celebrating World Health Week, I am honored to address you all on the behalf of our school community, particularly focusing on the theme of this year World Health Day and shedding light on the crucial aspect of Ayurveda and yoga, as well as the impact of mobile and social media on our health. World Health Day serves as a reminder of the importance of prioritizing our health and well-being. This year, the theme emphasizes building a fairer, healthier world for everyone. It promotes us to reflect on the disparities in healthcare access and the need for equity in health services globally. In our quest for holistic health, it's essential to recognize the invaluable contributions of Ayurveda and yoga. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, emphasizes balance and harmony within the body, mind, and spirit. It offers holistic approach to healing, focusing on natural remedies, healthy lifestyle practices, and personalized wellness routines. Similarly, yoga, the another ancient practice originating from India, offers a myriad of physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. Through the practices of yogasana, pranayama, and meditation, individuals can enhance their flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. Yoga serves as a powerful tool for stress reduction, promoting inner peace, fostering a deeper connection with oneself and world around us. While acknowledging the positive impact of Ayurveda and yoga on our health, it's crucial to address the effect of mobile and social media on our well being. In today's digital age, we were constantly connected, immersed in a world of screen and notification. While technology brings us convenience and connectivity, excessive screen time can lead to various health issues, including eye strains, disrupted sleep patterns, and mental health concerns such as anxiety and depression. Moreover, the social media platform can influence our self esteem, body image perception, and overall mental health. The pressure to portray an idealized version of ourselves online can lead to feelings of inadequacy and comparison. Moreover, the social media platform can influence our self esteem, body image perception, and overall mental health. The pressure to portray an idealized version of ourselves online can lead to feelings of inadequacy and comparison. As a responsible digital citizen, it's essential to strike a balance between our online and offline lives. We must prioritize self-care, limit screen time, and cultivate mindful habits that promotes our overall happiness. Let's harness the power of technology wisely, using it for learning connection and positive social changes. On this World Health Week, let's reaffirm our commitment to prioritizing our health, embracing holistic practices like Ayurveda and yoga, and fostering a balanced relationship with technology. Together, let's strive towards a healthier, happier future for ourselves and generation to come. Thank you.